everyone, it's Kelly and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, Chinese steel market continued its strong trend as we begin 2024. So, what's behind this strong kickoff? On the macroeconomic level, the market is seeing a surge of positive signals. Investors are quite optimistic about the central bank possibly cutting interest rates and reducing reserve requirements in the first quarter. This is keeping the outlook on monetary policy really upbeat. On top of that, the Chinese government is pushing forward, continuing to stimulate the property market and infrastructure development. A recent example is the central bank's restart of the PSL program, lending 350 billion yuan to 3 policy banks to support the 3 major projects in the property market. This is quite a significant step, no doubt about that. Accordingly, influenced by these positive developments, the ferrous market, especially iron ore, has shown considerable momentum in the first week this year. The price of the 62% iron ore delivered to China has risen to around $145 per ton, reaching a new high since June 2022. Finished steel prices are also maintaining an upward trend supported by high material cost. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand decreased by 150,000 tons, while total steel inventory increased more than 250,000 tons, and steel production dropped as well. Apparent demand has been declining for 6 weeks, and production has dropped to a near 2-month low. Despite this, the imbalance of more supply than demand still hasn't improved much. So, what does the near future look like? Looking ahead, we believe that steel mills are actively replenishing their iron ore inventories, and the robust demand is giving its prices a solid boost. Moreover, with the release of those favorable macroeconomic signals, we anticipate the Chinese steel market to keep up its upward trend while showing big fluctuations. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!